Ever wonder if your mind can literally grow plants? Hi everyone! Welcome to the 6th episode of the Law of Attraction Challenge series. Today we will explore a very interesting topic. Can our thoughts and consciousness influence the material world? And by the end of this video, you'll learn a cool trick to tap into your inner wisdom, the Applied Kinesiology experiment. It'll help you make decisions with confidence, straight from your gut. In the book E Squared, the author Pam Grout proposes a series of experiments aimed at helping us explore the power of our thoughts. Today we will be conducting the 6th experiment called Mind over Matter Experiment. Your thoughts and consciousness impact matter.
In recent years, more and more scientific research has shown that our thoughts and consciousness are not just abstract concepts. They actually have powerful energy that can influence the material world around us. This concept is known as mind over matter.
Experiment principle. Scientific evidence.
According to Dr. Masaru Emoto's research, water crystals are affected by their surrounding environment, including human thoughts, emotions, and words. He observed that when water is exposed to positive stimuli like love and blessings, the water crystals form beautiful, orderly patterns. Conversely, when exposed to negative stimuli like anger and curses, the water crystals become chaotic and disorganized. Dr. Larry Dossey has detailed in several of his books on prayer various medical experiments that prove our thoughts can influence the outcomes of tangible substances, whether it's rice seeds or women suffering from breast cancer. Dr. George Goodhart discovered through his experiments that when a person's body is exposed to harmful substances, their muscles gradually become weak and slack. However, the person is in an optimistic and healing environment, their muscles become strong again. Over the next decade, Dr. Goodhart further discovered various muscle responses to emotional and mental stimuli. These experiments indicate that our thoughts, emotions, and words are not just abstract concepts. They actually have powerful energy that can influence the material world.
Experiment steps. Green bean sprouting experiment.
You need to prepare these materials: egg carton, potting soil, green bean seeds. Steps. 1. Place 2 green bean seeds in each cell of the egg carton. 2. Place the carton by a window. 3. Water the green beans every 2 days. 4. Express positive intentions to the green beans on the left, such as, "I hope you sprout quickly and grow into strong seedlings." 5. Express negative intentions to the green beans on the right, such as, "I hope you never sprout." 6. Observe the sprouting conditions of both groups of green beans after 7 days.
Applied Kinesiology experiment.
Steps. 1. Use the thumb and middle finger of each hand to form a ring. 2. Now, interlock the 2 rings, and pull the rings apart with enough force so that they do not break apart, paying close attention to the sensation in your fingers. 3. Say your name out loud, "I am," while pulling the rings apart with balanced force. 4. Now try saying, "I am Julia Roberts." 5. Keep trying different true and false statements until you notice a pattern. If the rings stay tightly locked, it indicates a positive response to your statement. If the rings break apart, it indicates a negative response.
This experiment not only tests your body's response to different verbal statements but also provides an effective tool to consult your body's advice. Unsure about a decision? Ask your fingers.
Through these experiments, we can understand the impact of thoughts, emotions, and words on the material world. In daily life, we can use positive thoughts, emotions, and words to influence those around us and create a better life.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Your support is much appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Law of Attraction challenges. There is also a Google Doc for you to take notes and record your experiment. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.